How's it going, everybody? My name is Lucian. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to deploy Whoogle because I'm going to be using that instead of SearXNG. I kind of like it a little bit better. It's also quicker, so I'm definitely going to want to do that. So what we're going to do, since we no longer need SearXNG, I'm going to go to the stacks here and click on that one and hit stop the stack. If you want to keep using SearXNG, by all means, keep going. You're totally fine. You don't even need to watch this video. You can skip it. For those who want to switch, we are going to go back to stacks here. We can actually delete that, which I didn't do. We can delete the stack. Yes. Okay. So now we just have Planka. But we're going to add a stack. We're going to call this Whoogle. And we're going to paste down my stack. I will have this down in the description below, of course. So if you want to change the ports, change the ports. This is just what's available. So this is what we're going to use. Should be fine. If you're following along with my videos, you shouldn't have port 5000 used at all. So you should be good to go. So after that, it's pretty simple. We just scroll down here and click deploy stack. And then if we go to containers, I'll wait for this to start up, which shouldn't take too long. Okay, now that it's started up, so we can go to 192.168, our server's IP address, and then port 5000. And that takes us right here to Whoogle. And again, we have configuration settings that we can set up. Once you're done playing with your settings, you can hit apply. Whoa, it's white. I got flash banged. Let's, I didn't expect it to change colors on me like that. There we go. Much better. Once that's set up, if you want this to be your default browser, at least in Brave, go to your settings. And then we're going to click on search engines. And then we're going to click on manage search engines and site search. Then I already have it set up. But what we're going to do here, I'm going to need this. You're going to need this URL right here. That's not even the right one. I'll also have this down in the description below. So we'll hit, actually, I'm gonna hit save on this one. Save. Okay. So what you're gonna do, since you're not gonna have it in here already, you're gonna go to this add button right here. And we are gonna type in Whoogle, if I can spell. Also Whoogle. And this is not gonna let me do it because I already have it here. So can I delete this? I don't have a delete button. Crazy. Alright, so we'll just call it woo woo, and then we'll paste that URL with the with our port here, and then click add. Then you'll see it right here. Then we can click on this button and hit make default, and just like that, we have Whoogle as a default search engine. So now, if we just open up a new tab and type in how to set up a scum server on Windows, enter. And this will pull up our Whoogle just like that. So we don't actually have to physically go to the URL, which we still can, of course. And then, of course, we can also bookmark it as usual. And just boom, now we have Whoogle search. We can actually delete this SearXNG because I'm no longer going to be using that. If you still want to use it, like I said, more than welcome to, but this is how you set up Whoogle and make it your default search engine. I do like it a little bit better. It's also a lot quicker, but this is basically just Google without the tracking. So unlike Sear, where Sear uses a bunch of different browsers and all that other kind of stuff, Whoogle is just Google without tracking. So there you go. This is super easy to set up, super easy to deploy. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Nginx Proxy Manager. I'll see you in that video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.